What's up, guys? Sean Badpaws here with another unboxing video. Adidas. Of course, anyone who knows me could just about guess right off the bat what's in this box. Well, that ain't good. There we go. Get a little bit closer here. Well, I could have done without them lacing them up like my foot was 3 inches wide. But you know I'll be fixing that. But yeah, a pair of brand new Superstars, red with the white. You know, I'm a little disappointed with their packaging, but damn, I know I bought the shoes and not the packaging. Oh well. I've gotten a few new pair of Superstars here recently, so saw these, couldn't resist, and had to add another pair to the collection. So yeah, next part, put these puppies on.